Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Bowmaster619 here. Beautiful night in colorful Colorado. It's only 5, so it's not night yet. Well, whatever. As promised on the live stream earlier, it is now time for a tasting video. As you can see, the sauce is already cracked open because I attempted this a little bit ago, and it didn't work out too well. The sauce was not wanting to flow through the lid. So, now we have it open, we have it shaken up. Come on. Man, this is some thick stuff. Alright, so, there we go. We have some on the cracker. Okay. 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 Ooh. Well, that's what I get for getting the stuff that says fiery hot. Oh, good Lord. It's good. But holy crap. Whew. That's going to be awesome to mix in with stuff. Like dinner, for example. Now, as mentioned, I went shopping at another store today. And I found this pre-made pack of tuna and coconut curry. Oh, that is hot sauce. And in the process of doing my shopping and finding that curry, I also found this. Lily's Q sauces and rubs. For internal use, apply liberally and ingest daily. I guess they're trying to say that this is a dietary supplement or something. Okay. Hey, how do you open this? Oh, it's a twist up. Ooh, that smells good. This is going to be much more runny than the last one. I'm pouring it over here so I don't get it on the blanket. Oh, that was a lot. That was a lot. That was a lot. I didn't mean to put that much. That's a lot. That's running. Oh my sweet Jeebus. Oh! Oh goodness. Holy crap. Oh, geez, I don't know if it's combination of the two. I think this might be even hotter than the stinking habanero sauce. Oh, good man. Oh, man, I can't even talk right. Well, this stuff is pretty friggin' hot. Holy crap. I'm good.
Are you talking to your mother?
Yeah.
What you want?
Sorry, that was my dad. Wants to know what's going on. Okay. I did not expect this to be hotter than this. It's not even as good of a flavor either. Oh, my sweet Jeebus. Okay. I'm gonna have to stop here so I can go get some milk. I hope this is entertaining to you. Thank you so much for watching. Bowmaster619 out. Please leave some comments down below about what other sauces, other things you want to see me try. Don't forget to share this video so others can see me in pain and breathing heavy. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.